Just wait.
Wait until you get...
Well, that should have woken them up. Okay, go.
Going off in single shot?
Yep. Yeah, wait. I think that's probably might not be quite high enough, really. Okay. You see that end one when I move that box? It's falling right on the box. That's not very clever. Okay, wait and go. 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 Go.
Did you phone us, mate? Security?
Yeah, fine. Not now, please. Very much. Tell me when 20 seconds. Yeah, go. Go. Go.
180.
20 seconds.
Three, 2, 1, 3.
Go.
Excuse me. Standing by 4.
How many seconds are you up to now?
To what?
How many seconds are you up to now? Total. Wait. Total. Have you got up to 40 seconds yet?
Yeah.
You have? Yeah, go. Good time. Go. Go.
Standing by 4 inch. Standing by 4 inch.
Go.
Standing by 4 inch.
Go. Bet that was green shoes.
Yeah, standing by 4 inch.
Go.
Standing by 1 shot.
Go.
Standing by sorted.
Go. Is that been sorted? Yeah. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Wait.
go on these shells anyway. Go. 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 What? Well, I don't know what this is.
Well,
Oh, I thought it was double national salute.
white stroke.
Go. Shit. Go. National salute. Yeah. Go on, go. Where are we in?
I was trying second white stroke.
Oh, okay. Give me 15 seconds. Second white stroke.
Standing
Go.
by
Go.
Standing by 4-inch mine.
Go. What's that? 4-inch mine.
Standing by 4-inch
Go.
mine.
Go.
Standing by
Go.
4-inch mine.
Go. That should be the end of them. Single shot.
Single shot going now.
Wait. Oh, alright.
By national police.
Nothing will happen. Try. I'll tell you what, that is. I thought that. It's not that. Give me 20 seconds. I think you've got the right stroke here and 100 shot here. Those are the things. Go.
Standing by 2-5-inch.
Go.
Standing by 2-5-inch.
Go. Go.
Standing by 2-6s.
Go. Go.
2-6s.
Wait. Wait. Oh, boring. Go. 2-8s. Okay. Where are they? Oh. Go.
Standing by on 2-8s, yeah?
Yeah, go on. Now the turbulin.
Turbulin now.
Wait. Yeah, now. And the last one now. Here we go. This is the one.
Yes!
Well, that's got the car alarm going.
Fucking ace.
That is some bloody shell, isn't it? Look at that. Fuck, and we haven't killed anyone.
And listen to